So in this Ticketmaster tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your location here on the Ticketmaster app. So very simple. If you guys go to the Discover page in the bottom left, where it says location in the top left, you can go ahead and press on the X button right here. Then you can go ahead and type in your city or your zip code. So for example, if you wanted to change your city to New York City, you can go ahead and type in New York just like that and press on done. It'll be there. You can also go to the top right and change your location based on the country that you're located in. So you can go ahead and change this to Canada, for example, where it'll go ahead and do that. Change your location, in this case to Toronto. If I wanted to go ahead and change it back to the United States, you can go ahead and do that as well. But also too, for example, if you wanted to buy sports tickets right here, you can change your location as well. So where it says near, you can go ahead and change this. So for example, if you're going to, I don't know, Los Angeles, for example, you can go ahead and say Los Angeles right here, and it'll go ahead and show you some tickets that will be available in that selected region. So very simple way to change your location on Ticketmaster. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.